A cool, crisp and a gorgeous morning awaits us here at the KCA ground in Nallur. It's the IDFC First Bank Vijay Merchant Trophy 23-24. The finale, and it's day two. Mumbai versus Gujarat. Two very strong teams, two teams that have dominated in the group stage. This game has panned out. Gujarat winning the toss, electing to bat. 145, Kavya 66, Himanshu and Sarthak, the pick of the bowlers. Mumbai 115 for 3 in reply. In a strong position, they trail by 30 with 7 wickets in hand. Day 2 of this finale. Still such a good wicket to bat on. That's up in the air. Gone through no fielder in the boundary. Yeah, streaky. He'll take that, but was in control though. That'll be 4. Short and wide outside off stump.
Well, there it is. That's the first innings lead to Mumbai. They crossed that score of 145.
कि मुंबई ने अब लीड ले ली है.
Nicely played away. Will get a couple of runs for sure. Will he get 4?
Gets it over the top. What a way to bring a half century. Tremendous ball striking. It's gone for 6. 6 to complete a half century. Standing ovation from his teammates. Application, concentration and patience in this innings from Aryan.
बहुत ही बढ़िया टेम्परामेंट दिखाते हुए यहाँ पे आर्यन कप्तानी पारी खेलते हुए यहाँ पे अपनी टीम के लिए.
Pulls and gets it into the gap through the onside. This will run away for 4.
यहाँ पे मिलेंगे रन आर्यन को और बैकफुट पे ना बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से जाते हैं.
Manipur qualifies for the Vijay Merchant, and they'll be playing shots like this one next year when they come. Oh, he's gone! 2 dots, and the umpire reckons that it's bad first before bat. With the angle, playing for the spin, ball coming in, and that's exactly what they needed. That's the reason why. That's more a show of relief in the faces. Oh man, finally.
यहाँ पे रन्स मिलेंगे और मिलेंगी भी वो 4 वहाँ पे.
Lovely boy.
1 time for lunch.
Well, that's lunch on day 2 of this Vijay Merchant final between Gujarat and Mumbai. Mumbai lead by 163. Gujarat were 145 yesterday. Aryan Sakpal, the skipper, undefeated on 78 of 247 deliveries. And the hopes of Mumbai building on this lead and completely shutting the door on Gujarat rests on his shoulders. 40 overs in the session, 93 runs scored at a run rate of 2.33 runs to the over, just the 1 wicket.
Play is the word, and on the money is the word as far as Kavya is concerned. Vacant area, a little bit streaky, but Agneya will take it. All along the ground though. That's a biggie, and it's just fallen inside the boundary. That'll go for 4. And that's a beautiful shot. Look at this, the courage of these boys.
Goes for the big shot. It's gone high up in the air. Fieldsman settling underneath. He's taken the catch. The breakthrough has finally been achieved. The spinner with a wicket of a new ball. Gets it over the top. Has that gone? Just 1 bounce into the fence for 4. Good aggressive stroke to move into the 90s.
Down the track, and he beats the man inside. Vidon was sent sprawling, but to no avail. Beautiful hit this. That's gone all the way for his second six in the 90s. Who said it's nervous 90s?
300वीं गेंद खेली यहां पर आर्यन ने.
That's what a way to celebrate. A big match, a big 100, a sparkling innings from a sparkling player. Take a bow, young man. You've shown great heart, great character and great commitment. You deserve every round of those applause you're getting.
301 गेंदों पर 104 रन की पारी, कप्तानी पारी. फाइनल में आर्यन सकपाल की. विजय मर्चेंट ट्रॉफी 2023-2024 में ये उनका दूसरा शतक.
Beautiful hit. There's just an extension of a forward defensive shot. He was there. He realized that he was not to the pitch of the ball. Just extended the bat through the ball. He got 4 very, very handsome runs.
287 for 5, and the bells are off the groove. Usually means end of one session. The second session of day 2 has come to an end, and it's been an enthralling one.
इस सेशन में 31 ओवर में 79 रन बने, लेकिन विकेट एक ही गिरा और कोशिश यही थी लोग कि ज्यादा विकेट ना गिरे हैं मुंबई की.
सीधी गेंद से शुरुआत यहां पर. जैसा मैंने कहा, दूसरा दिन, तीसरा सत्र. ये ड्राइव लगाई है जबरदस्त तरीके से कवर क्षेत्र की तरफ से. आगे आकर सार्थक ने जबरदस्त शॉट यहां पर आर्यन सकपाल की, और यहां पर एज आया है. जिस विकेट की तलाश थी वो विकेट मिल गया है गुजरात को, और आर्यन सकपाल वापस जाते हुए.
यहाँ वो रन्स मिलेंगे. वेदांत को गति का इस्तेमाल किया.
Oh, it says doesn't matter. I'm ready. Look at what it means to them. Look at the mid outfielder. He's pumping the air. He knows his fists. He knows that they're back in the game. They reckon 161 is something. Over the bowler's head, slightly erring in length on the fuller side, and Sarthak said, "Thank you, I'll have some of that, please." You see this? Oh, beautifully played. Beautifully played. Little room outside off stump.
यहाँ पे फिर से रन मिलेंगे और मिलेंगे भी 4.
Firmly driven down the ground. Good effort from the fieldsman. So lets one go. Umpire takes his time, takes the bails off. Stumps on day 2 in the Vijay Merchant Trophy final here in Alur. 331 for 7. Mumbai dominated the play.
Session 1, 40 overs, 93 runs, just the 1 wicket. That set the game up really for Mumbai. 31 overs in session 2, 79 runs scored off it. The loss of 1 wicket. And then the third session where Gujarat bowled well, but little circumspect were Mumbai. 21 overs in that session. They lost 2 wickets. But all in all, they end the day a very, very happy lot.